Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the bag ready. Remove excess air so the fold will seal cleanly and the candy won't be crushed. Once done, fold the top straight across about 1/2 to 1 inch, depending on how full the bag is. A narrower fold works for small bags, wider for large ones. Make the fold crisp with a ruler or a stiff card to create a flat surface. This matters because a sharp fold gives a reliable base for your reseal method. You now pick a reseal approach based on tools and bag material. For heat sealing, use a hair straightener or iron on low with parchment between the metal and plastic. Press for 2-3 seconds to fuse. For temporary closure, fold and secure with a binder clip or clothespin to keep air out. For moderate strength, apply low tack tape or a resealable adhesive strip along the fold. Make sure it runs the full width. These choices balance durability, reusability, and safety. You finish by testing the seal. Gently squeeze to check for leaks, and if you feel air escape, reapply the method. Reheat briefly or add another strip of tape. If a heat seal failed, increase the temperature slightly and press again with parchment to protect the plastic. If the bag melts, trim the damaged edge and reseal from a fresh section. Keep safety in mind. Avoid open flames, store the bag upright, and label the date so you rotate candy appropriately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.